All right, guys, it's Saturday. We're out here at Calvary Rigs and Coffee off 75 in North Dallas. We're checking out all the Overland trucks in the North DFW area. I haven't finished mine out completely, so I wanted to come out, and check out, see what people have, what ideas I could probably gather to finish mine up. I still need to get a fridge, maybe a canopy or something, so we're gonna check out some rigs, see what people have, and maybe make some new friends. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, how you doing?
Hi, good, how are you?
Hey, I got some goodies on the back of my truck. T-shirts, hats, and stuff. For a Guggen Squad, Guggen Bait, so.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
so if y'all want to grab some stuff, go for it.
Awesome.
Yeah, you bet.
Can we try again? How y'all doing out there? Glad all 5 of you can hear me today. Doing our kickoff announcements, itinerary, we'll talk about what our giveaways, some of our sponsors and things like that. So if you're out here in the parking lot, you're with your club, we would love for you guys to make your way up to the front stage. We're going to do a big kickoff here in a second. And then, yeah, we'll definitely get back out here to the parking lot to check out these rigs. But we'll be doing our kickoff here in about 5 minutes. So if you want to make your way to the stage, we appreciate it.
That's sick. Yeah. I'm thinking about doing an awning like that.
The sleeping area is probably closer to like bed folds up in 2 pieces. And usually
Got the slide out fridge. See, it's kind of like how I got my coffee maker. Slides out.
Oh, that's the fridge.
Yeah. What's going on, man? How you doing? That flip ball's a lot cuter than mine. Let's go.
Akvi the Pro.
Fantastic.
That's what I need. I'm almost about the right size to fit in that tub too.
Barely get my foot in there.
Yeah. Got a double decker up there. Nice. Pretty slick. We could add another one of those tents on top of the roof too. With the topper, it holds up to 900 pounds.
should have been her.
5 watts, and they're all the same size.
I like those wheels. I'm glad I didn't wash my truck because it's dirty. Just leave it dirty. What's got over here? What's up, dude? How you doing? Come check out your stuff. This guy's got a serious freaking setup.
That's crazy, dude. That's an 82,000 yen Uber right there.
Game over. I'll hang out my rig and pass some Guggen goodies away. I don't know, you ever heard of Guggen Squad?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I rebuilt the Guggen HQ, so I brought some of the stuff down. I figured I'd just hand it out. I got youth t-shirts here and the different size t-shirts, and there's some hats and
Sweet.
grab some of our lunker logs.
For sure. Thank you.
Decals, yeah, you bet, brother. Log right here. Gold Series, yeah, check that out. It's an easy topper lift.
Easy topper lift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got it all running off a remote, all my lights off this FPV hub.
Okay. Yeah.
The camping setup. What's up, dude?
I fished a lot. Sorry.
No,
I saw
Guggen's.
Guggen's.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name's Camden. I'm on the Move National team.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Dude, hit us up on the Guggen Squad on the website. And,
Augie, don't run off.
Fill out the sponsorship. So we're sponsoring teams. You just got to fill out the form, and then we'll reach you back out and get you set up. I know we're at an Overland event, but I gotta look at this skyline. The fact that I helped one of my best friends put one of these RB22 DETs in a 1994 240SX back in 2001. That's pretty sick. You see a lot of these up at North DFW now. Pretty wild. Yeah.
Well, this actually goes up over the top.
I got a buddy that's got a BMW. I ride him all the time.
Yeah.
And BMW's a fine ride. But I see.
Yeah, for the size of this bed, that's a pretty good idea up there. And the tent. Yeah, that's his whole water setup. Yeah. Is your bison? I got a Colorado over there on the other side. Easy topper lift. Camper raises up.
Nice.
Got a whole setup in there, yeah.
Nice, man. We've had it for like 3 years now.
Really?
Yeah, no issues.
What year is it?
The Bison itself is 2020.
Okay.
But the camper we've had for 3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the camper's good.
Yeah, when we purchased it, but
Yeah.
it's made up for it ever since.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is clean, dude.
Yeah, it's good. Are you? So you have this generation?
I've got a 2016.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it is
so
this generation.
yeah, it's the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you diesel too, or?
No, it's a V6. I got a hell of a deal on it
That's good.
before COVID. So,
That's good.
and I think it's at 120,000 now, and it runs like a champ. I haven't had any issues with it.
That's good.
That one there's that's like a camera. Yeah. Yeah. Those go for about $20,000.
Yeah, so currently at 8 PSI, it's set to 35, so we'll see where it goes. I did not do my homework and see where the doing
Heck yeah. Good baits, baby.
Anywhere look
That's a great question. Around the Navy over.
It really has. All the guys started out as kids fishing from the ponds and just hooking up on double-digit bass and just killed it on YouTube.
That's super awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. So we try to give back to the community as much as we can. Yeah. ECU. I had an LS. How are you? Good. I should stock some large t-shirts in there somewhere, but I got you all got kids. Man.
You have 2XLs?
Yeah, there's some 2X over there.
I would never Google's some people take that.
Well, nice meeting you.
Hey man, you too. Yeah, y'all have fun. I'll see you guys around.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, did you get all that information?
I did. I'm gonna add it to my
Cool.
contact.
Yeah, man, just hit me up. Holler at me anytime you need anything.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, you too. Take care. Yeah, I installed the actuators and all that. So this is a topper easy lift system. Kind of tricky because on the Colorado, the gas tank's over in the back corner, so that actuator had to sit up a little bit higher because it was on an angle.
Just some stickers up. Boolean beads.
Well, gang, we are wrapping up.
You got a meeting?
Some lure in there?
Right here.
Finally got our first
Let me see that. Yeah. You said it's free gravity.
I think the whole setup.
He's got the big cruises, man, the 16 ounces, bro. Well, I appreciate that, man.
Oh yeah, you bet, guys. Yeah, check us out online, googensquad.com, and check out our social medias. We're always doing sales and stuff, but we're looking for a bunch of people.
I was just looking for something.
Yeah. So my name's John Worm. Last name's Worm. It just happened to fit in on the end. Okay. I got a compliment in here.
Yeah. All right, brother.
What's your name?
Justin.
Yeah.
And we gotta be, if you're when we sleep.
I'm just having a ski. Now we go up and live down on the pavement area.
Oh, okay. I used to live up there.
Oh yeah, no kidding.
380.
Okay.
I don't miss that traffic anymore.
Yeah, not
It's
at
rough
all.
up there,
It's
man.
bad. It's bad.
They're redoing the 380.
Oh yeah, it's a nightmare right now.
Yeah. All right, brother.
Take care, man. All right, so that's it, guys. Calvary and Coffee. We're out here in North Texas. Saw some pretty cool rigs. I got some pretty good ideas of what I'm gonna do. Saw a lot of creativity out here on these rigs. So now we just gotta get online and purchase some stuff. So, all right, well, you guys, thanks for checking out the video, and met a lot of people, Guggen Squad fans. Got a lot of pictures. Check us out on Guggen HQ official page and Worm TV for all that content. Other than that, we'll see y'all next time.